Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So my daughter wanted a bedroom makeover and I decided to go with a black and gold Paris theme. I wanted to make sure that her room was going to be very cozy and inviting. And so I am going to add the right pieces to bring it all together. Before I begin, I need to get rid of all the clutter, pick up the trash from the floor, and just have a clean space to work with before I get started. To use these wall cleaning wipes just to get rid of any surface stains that are on the wall so that I can easily apply my peel and stick wall decals. I'm going to start from the inner corner and make my way towards the opposite end, gradually spreading them out. And these can be easily removed. They're safe for all wall types as well. My daughter loves to read and I wanted to add a canopy reading nook inside of her room. And so I added some curtain string lights just to make the space a little bit more magical. I also added some fake snow on top just to hide the hooks that you can see there and just to also give it a cloud-like effect. And to complete the look, I added some pillows just to bring it all together. So my daughter uses her dresser as a dumping ground and I'm going to style it by adding some pieces that will coordinate with her room's theme. Although her wall is the main focal point of her room, adding some small accessories will make her dresser tidy, stylish, and more organized. So at this point, I'm hanging a floating wall shelf just to make the most out of her wall space. This is a great place to add some mix and match pieces that adds just the right touch. As I was shopping around, I found this Paris themed comforter set at Bed Bath & Beyond in the clearance section. It is now discontinued, but the bedding features an Eiffel Tower with a mix of metallic gold and a classic black and white Paris theme. And last but not least, I am setting up her keyboard. She loves to practice in her room, so this will give her the opportunity to do it at her own leisure. And this is the end of her room makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, join the family. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.